Hello everybody, Ariel Perez here with Cooper&Hunter. Here in Lancaster, Texas, you get to be a part of our debut of our unitary split system condenser. Come on and see what this baby looks like, right? As you see, it comes well packaged. Hey, let's take a look inside and see what it's got behind this compartment. I want to point out one thing that's very important for every guy and everyone that's installing one of these. You see the nice foam packing that we have all around? This shows you the quality that they're putting into this, even down to the shipping. So it guarantees it gets safe to your customer at their location. Now we're gonna take a look inside and see what kind of goodies this has, right? Another thing I want to take the time to point out as well is the fact that this has a beautiful hail guard that wraps around the whole condenser. So in the event of heavy storms, debris flying around, hail damage, you don't have to worry about it. This thing is built solid. So what we have here is a modern day unitary split system. We tried to keep it basic and user friendly for the technician. As you see, it still has an operating contactor, capacitor, and a logic board that has been placed with an LED display readout on that board itself. 2 brace connections for the technician to be able to use an existing line set. Here at Cooper&Hunter, we've always been known as an inverter company, cutting edge technology. But we listen to the contractor, we listen to the homeowner, and we listen to our customers. And that is why now we are debuting today the unitary top discharge R32 condenser that you can use in many applications. This unit will work for both new construction and remove and replacement in existing homes. You can use the existing line set, just brace to the connections that you've seen already, and it will work in a multitude of applications. So where we couldn't get before, we can definitely get there now. Whether you need inverter needs, straight on off, straight cooling product, we have it here, we have it now, and we have it today for you, the customer.